Pretty much every Volvo model up through the 1998 model year uses a metal spin-on oil filter. Usually it's going to be a MAN brand, that's what we sell, that's OEM, that's the good one. Now in theory that thing should come off very easily just by hand. In fact though, it doesn't always come off that way. Sometimes it's been over-tightened by a quick lube shop, or maybe yourself if you weren't paying enough attention. Sometimes your hands are just oily because you change in the oil. In that case, this tool becomes very useful. It's a gripping tool, it's kind of a universal tool, but we found that it works excellently on those metal canister oil filters. It's got a couple little toothy claw things here to dig into the sides. It really, really works, especially if you've got some of the cars that have real tight clearance, like 240 turbos, where you got other stuff in the way. It's a lot more precise and a lot more precision-based than the old tried and true method of taking a Phillips screwdriver, jamming it in the side, and tearing the side out of it that way. So if you're having trouble with those, or you just want to make your oil changes a little bit smoother, check out this tool. Very nice thing to have in the toolbox, makes the job easier, and anything that does that makes you maintaining your Volvo a more enjoyable experience. For more details, check out our website at ipdusa.com.